how you can make your first $500 per day with ClickBank affiliate marketing. Now I'm in Austria, in Europe, yeah, on the north of Austria, right, next to Switzerland border, next to Germany, and I'm traveling all around Europe right now. But I took the time for this video to show you exactly and tell you exactly how you can succeed in 2024 going further with ClickBank affiliate marketing using Google pay-per-click ads. Now, why I always talk about affiliate marketing for beginners and ClickBank and Google ads is because Google ads, it's all about buyer's intent. You see, people just like me and you watching this video, right? We go on Google to look for the solutions to our pains and problems. We want to get educated, right? Look for product review for some product that we want, or get educated on some topic we want to know more about, right? Like weight loss, dating, making money, losing weight, right? So traveling, all this stuff. People go on Google, and imagine this: there are 3 billion people per day searching on Google search. And my question to you right now, my friend, is why you are not using this? It's free. Google, it's free. They have 100,000 employees who are helping you to make money online. You can go tomorrow, set up Google pay-per-click ad, write one text without your face, without talking, without video, without anything, just one website on ClickFunnels, one funnel, and start making 100 or 300 euros or dollars per day by targeting the right audiences, right, with pains and problems, and offering them the right high quality solution to their pain and problems that they're dealing with, right? So as you watch this video right now, maybe you tried MLM, maybe you tried network marketing, maybe you tried work from home, Amazon, e-commerce, drop shipping, other affiliate marketing courses, Profit, whatever, Singularity, or whatever courses that were scams. It didn't work out for you. But right now, over here with me, you have opportunity to make $100 to $500 per day by actually offering people quality solutions and products, right? Without talking, without showing your face, without being on YouTube, all right? Because if you already knew how to make $10,000 per month with affiliate marketing, you would have already done it. You wouldn't be watching this video right now. You would be earning money, traveling the world, but you don't. And it's not your fault. And all you have to do is you have to have someone who help you along the way, step by step, one-on-one, to get you the results that you desire, right? All right? So as you watch this video, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook. You can call me on WhatsApp, DM me on WhatsApp or Facebook or Instagram, but only if you're serious. You see, only if you have at least 1,000 to 5,000 US dollars or more to invest in you, so you can get to 10,000 or 20,000 dollars per month in profit with affiliate marketing on ClickBank, on MaxWeb, or other casino affiliate networks. Doesn't matter. There is so many niches, but you have to take the first step. You have to make a decision, because if you're not, then who else will? If you have family, you have kids, you have to make a decision. I'm always sharing on my IG when I've traveled to Australia, Bali, Thailand, Japan, US, Africa, all these places around the world, 5-star resorts, $5,000 per night hotels. I'm showing you not to brag, but to show you what is possible when you take affiliate marketing seriously. You see over here, I'm in Europe right now. Last week I was in Asia. Okay, I'm sharing this with you because I want to help you. I want to help you to succeed, to see that this life is possible. Okay, location freedom, stress-free life. Especially if you're a business owner, you understand how important it is to spend time with your wife, husband, with your kids. All right, traveling around the world. So if you want to get results, subscribe to my YouTube channel now, like this video, and after watching, let me know personally to have someone to help you one-on-one, step by step, okay? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to YouTube channel to get more helpful tips.